Told ya. We're starting back with advanced junior tap solo entry number 23A. Welcome Becca with The Consequence of Sound.
Hi, my name is Becca Fineberg. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Boca, Raton, Florida. The piece of choreography that I'll be performing for you tonight is called Consequence of Sound. I hope you enjoy it.
Got a soundtrack in my mind all the time. Kids screaming from too much beat up and they don't even rhyme. They just stand there on a street corner, skin tucked in and meat side out and shouting. I'd like to turn them down, but there ain't no knob. Wanting to picket fences, not into picket lines. All this hippies, they show the 60s and a cliche in our time. But what if one of these days your heart will just stop ticking and they sorta just don't find you till your cubicle is reeking? The consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds, the consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds. Dun, 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 my rhyme ain't good just yet, my brain and tongue just met, and they ain't friends so far. My words don't travel, but they tangle in my hair and tend to go nowhere. They grow right back inside, right past my brain and eyes, into my stomach juice, where they don't serve my juice. No healthy calories, nutrition values, and I absorb back in the words right through my skin. They sit there festering inside my bowels, the consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds, the consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds.
Becca, Consequence.